Welcome back to HomeZoneline. Today we are going to show you a new home tour. It is a minimalist double-story home design. This beautiful home has 4 bedrooms and it designed in flat style. Spacious yard is set very well and it interlocked with cement blocks. Firstly, we can see an elegant sit-out area with more seating arrangements. It designed very nicely. Ceiling designed with stylish lights. As we step inside, we are greeted by a beautifully designed sitting room. Furniture used in this area gives sleek look to this living room. Pergola designs are used to decorate the wall and it's stylish with wooden material. Next, we are moving to the elegantly designed dining area. A standard-sized table set used in this area. Near to this area we can see a washing space with a white color basin, mirror and storage cabin. Modish ceiling along with hanging bulb also increase the beauty of this area. Wooden framed glass railings and concrete steps are used to design the stairwell. Next, we will inspect the bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are designed in ground floor. First bedroom is designed simply with a double cot bed and wardrobe. Ceiling work done nicely with LED lights. This bedroom also includes a washroom. The second bedroom is almost same as the first one. A double cot bed, stylish wardrobe and cute curtains are included in this bedroom. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom. We will inspect the kitchen next. This kitchen is neat and has beautiful setups. There is set a radiant breakfast table. Beige color cabinets and white color wall tiling go well together. Work area set up with all amenities and fireplace and washing area arranged neatly. The first floor will be checked next. Ascending the stairs we are greeted by a spacious hall and the living area has been excellently designed here. Stylish furniture is used here. Hall area gracefully designed with lovely hanging bulb. This is the first bedroom in first floor. Double cot bed, closet and other settings are arranged nicely. Large-sized wardrobe used here. This bedroom also includes a dressing area near the washroom. This is the last bedroom and it's simply designed with a double cot and curtains. This is also a bath attached bedroom. At last, we can see the balcony area. Steel framed glass barricade is used here. A cute swing also set here. Now we completely check this marvelous home design. If you like this home tour, please share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.